What is up, math superstars? In this edition of Mr. Peterson Presents, I'm bringing to you how to divide fractions. And so our first thing is we're going to divide fractions if there is not a mixed number in our equation. So we have 2/3 divided by 1/4. And so here's our steps. First step is we're going to go ahead and find the reciprocal of our second fraction. And so let's go ahead and rewrite our equation. 2/3. And then the reciprocal of 1/4 is 4/1. Now we need to change our division sign to multiplication. And now, just like in multiplication, we can go ahead and multiply our numerators. So before we do that, let's look for cross simplifying. And we notice that everything is already simplified. Let's go ahead and multiply our numerators. 2 times 4 is 8. And let's go to multiply our denominators. 3 times 1 is 3. So we're given the fraction 8/3. And if we go ahead and rewrite that as our mixed number here, 3 goes into 8 2 times. We have a remainder of 2, and we keep our denominator 3. So we say that 2/3 divided by 1/4 gives us 2 2/3. But now what happens if there is a mixed number in our equation? What do we do? So just like in multiplying, our first step is that we're going to change all the mixed numbers into improper fractions. And so let's go ahead and do that. We have 3 1/9, so we know that 9 times 3 is 27, plus 1 is 28. So we have 28/9 divided by 2/9. And our second step is we're going to find the reciprocal of the second fraction here. So our second fraction, let's go ahead and rewrite this now. So when we go ahead and rewrite this, let's go ahead and write 28/9. The reciprocal of 2/9 is 9/2. Our third step is we're going to change the division sign to multiplication. And now let's solve it. So before we do that, let's practice cross simplifying. So let's go ahead, 9, we can cross simplify our 9s. 9 divided by 9 equals 1. And we can go ahead and cross simplify 2 and 28. So we can go ahead and divide 28 by 2 and 2 by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 28 divided by 2 is 14. So we could circle our new numbers here. So let's go ahead now and rewrite it after we cross simplified. So after we cross simplified, we have 14/1 times 1/1, and that's going to equal 14. And when we multiply our numerators, and we multiply our denominators, 1 times 1 gives us 1. So our answer, when we go ahead and simplify, is just equal to 14.